will do your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Instagram photos not posted yet, try again. So how you can also fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just close your Instagram and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to open mobile data or cell data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if you still have the error, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully show the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.